Hi, my name is Dipti Singh. I head the Learning and Development function for Retailers Association of India. I've been into this space for the last 12 years, having worked in various sectors like pharma, IT, and now retail. What drives me to learning and development is my passion to work with people and especially to work with them on their development journeys, and that's what I've been doing for the last 12 years. What I realized in the last few months of my working is, people don't really take ownership of their of the things that they do, and that makes them unhappy. At the workplace, also there were several incidences which was making me realize that we should do something to make the workplace happier, possibly help people to take charge of themselves and and make them realize that there are smaller things in the world which makes you happy. And that's when I enrolled for a course on happiness from Happiitude. It's a 6 weeks long course. I think that course brought a lot of awareness into me. I would say the 6 weeks journey was quite immersive. It starts with your awareness of self, and then it helps you to understand others. I think that's an interesting journey. I learned a lot of things, simple concepts like being mindful, being aware of certain things, which helps you, be happier. And I think this 6 weeks journey has made me think through a lot about myself, and I'm a better person now. And I know how to help others as well. I'm going to implement a lot of such learnings at my workplace where I work, to help them or to help my organization have a healthy workplace environment. I think I would like to also thank the Happiitude team for bringing in such a lovely course. I think there's a lot of thoughts which has gone into making the course, right from the exercises to simple videos and notes, and it really makes you think. So thanks, Happiitude team. You guys are doing a great job, and I'm going to implement most of the learnings that I have at my workplace and ensure that I have a healthier, happier workplace. Thank you very much.